how to send photos and videos on IMO. Want to share your memories? This guide shows you how to send photos and videos on IMO so you can share them with your friends and family. First, open the chat with the contact or group that you want to send photos and videos to. At the bottom right of the chat, you'll see a text input box. Next to it, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on it to open the menu. From the menu that appears, you can select the photos and videos that you want to send. You can select multiple photos and videos to send at once. You need to allow IMO to access your photos to send them. So once you select the photos and videos, tap on Send button. The media will then be sent to your contact or group. You can also add a caption or message to the photos and videos before sending them. You now know how to send photos and videos. Get ready to share your memories. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.